In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for pricing and demand signals fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that can help you identify trends in consumer interest over time, offering valuable insights that can guide your pricing strategies and inventory decisions. To get started, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Trends. Clicking on the first link should lead you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to select the Explore option to begin analyzing the data. Now type into the search bar the product name, service, or category keywords you're interested in exploring. For example, you might search for terms like running shoes, laptops, or organic coffee, depending on your area of interest. After entering your desired keywords, press Enter to generate a trend graph. As the graph loads, you'll see search interest over time displayed on a scale of 0 to 100. A higher score indicates greater interest. Analyze this carefully, as a rising trend line might suggest potential demand growth. In this case, you could consider increasing prices or stocking up on inventory. Conversely, if you notice a declining trend, it may point to a fall in demand, prompting you to offer discounts or reduce inventory to avoid overstocking. For a more comprehensive analysis, take advantage of the ability to compare your product with alternatives or competitors. Click the Plus Compare button and add other brands or substitute products to see how they measure up in terms of relative demand. This will provide you with a broader perspective and informed decisions about which products to focus on or possibly adjust their pricing. Another useful feature is the Related Queries and Related Topics section located further down the page. This section can help you identify new trending features, styles, and terms related to price, such as cheap, budget, or best price. Pay close attention to these as they can be early indicators of changing consumer preferences and demands. Select the Rising tab to spot emerging trends before they become widely popular. Finally, for ongoing analysis, export the data by clicking the download icon found within each section. You can download the data as a CSV file, which can be opened in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Regularly track these demand signals on a weekly or monthly basis. By monitoring these trends, you'll be better prepared to compare the peaks in demand with your historical sales and pricing data, enabling you to make informed, strategic decisions. Remember, consistent tracking and analysis can provide invaluable insights that will help you optimize pricing and anticipate market shifts effectively. Whether you're a seller, retailer, or an analyst, Google Trends is an indispensable resource in today's dynamic market environment.